EOP&SCARE application. Learn how to apply for Fall 2021 with this step-by-step guide. Where to start? Enter the URL into your search engine or scan the QR code. It should look like this. Our application is completely online. The first section will ask for your personal information, such as your legal name, your Rio Hondo College student ID number, which you want to verify is correct, your mailing address, your cell phone number, your date of birth, and email addresses. Then you will be asked about your educational criteria and background, such as which high school you attended, your high school graduation or expected graduation date, then if you received a high school diploma, GED, or if you are not a high school grad. Then you will be asked what was your grade point average in high school? Did either of your parents graduate from a four-year college university in the United States? If you are a current former foster youth, is English your first language? Do you or will you participate in Rio Hondo College's Disabled Students Programs and Services, known as DSPS? And if you have ever participated in Rio Hondo College's EOP&S or another EOP&S at any other college. If you answered yes, you will need to input the college name and years you participated. Next, you will be asked about your previous educational history. We want to know if you have ever attended any other college or university. High school dual enrollment and concurrent classes count. If you answered yes to this question, you must provide academic transcripts for your application to be processed. Also, make sure admissions and records have your official transcripts from any other college or university you attended. Once you obtain your unofficial transcripts, you will click on Select Files and attach the unofficial transcripts to your application. The next section is to assess if you are a CARE-eligible student. You will be asked if you are receiving TANF, which is cash aid for yourself and or your children, if you are a single parent, and if you are a current participant of Rio Hondo College's CalWORKs. If you answered yes to both of these questions, you can fill out the CARE application to apply for the supplemental program CARE, the Cooperative Agency's Resources for Education, by clicking where it says Click Here. You will then be redirected to a fillable PDF where you will enter your personal information and your child information as well. Then you will click on Select Files and attach your CARE application and a recent notice of action. The next section will ask you about financial aid. You will be asked if you have completed the 2021 to 2022 FAFSA or California DREAM Act application. Be sure your financial aid application has been submitted successfully for the year 2021 to 2022 and you have no pending documents on your Rio Hondo financial aid portal. Lastly, you will submit your application by putting in your full name, signature, and date. After applying, we will review your application and notify you if we need further information. Then you will be contacted by our staff to notify you of the status of your application. If you have questions, please contact us. To find our contact information, you can input this URL into the search engine or scan the QR code. Thank you.